stay tuned for our next video on how to fake chenille with this cording loop device. Hi, welcome back everyone. Last time we already introduced you to our chenille embroidery, how you make it, how you can fake it with some methods, and today is all about the real fake chenille with our cording loop device. What do you need? Well, luckily all you need is this starter kit here. Let me unpack it for you. Some little manual for you. The cord, this dimension is perfect for the fake chenille. You have different feet here. Make sure that you pick the matching foot hole to the cording. This plate will help you. You have some special needles that will give you the perfect quality and will stitched on the cording. And these parts are for mounting the unit to your machine. Here you can see our cording loop device. It's actually installed on needle 17 with a bar and a matching foot to your cording. Needle 18 is then used with a thread to stitch down the cording. And then you have here two guide levers that help the cording for the placement. To install the foot, you have a washer on top, then you add the foot. Make sure that you match the hole to the needle so that the needle doesn't hit the actual hole. Add the third washer here to fix the actual foot. The cord is traveling very easily at the side of the needle package. Make sure when you pull, it's super easy to be pulled, otherwise your loops are not high enough. Make sure you add also these tails here and the lever to actually form the loops. Now we change the cording. Last but not least, we have to fit this cording through the hole. Make sure that the hole of the foot matches the cording diameter. Luckily, with your starter kit, you will find this measure plate here that should help you to pick the right foot. We're going to embroider these laser cut patches here. To not have any unnecessary fabric left, I have already hooped this water soluble foil here. Now we're all set. All we need is our embroidery file. To get our loop area done, we simply take a fill stitch program with horizontal direction. Make sure that you change the density and the stitch length of your fill stitch. This way you can control the amount of loops in your area. Remember, the height of loops is actually then set up on the machine mechanically. Make sure you add one additional run stitch to stitch down the actual applique. I find these loops here a little low, so I'm gonna lift this foot here now to have slightly higher loops. To keep track of your favorite heights of loops, we provide you this step gauge here. First of all, I'm gonna loosen the screw here. This way the foot falls down again. Then go a step higher and tighten my screw again. Very important, when you do this, do not lower the needle. Otherwise, this lever will hit the needle package. To switch from loop to cording, all we have to do now is loosen the screw and it automatically falls down to the height that you need for the cording. Now this can go forward, so you don't need to hold it for the needle bar. Just fix it so it's not floating around and hitting anything. You see, starting into the chenille business is a piece of cake. You don't even need a big machine to start with, just fake it till you make it. All you need now is this cording loop device, which you can get in our online shop. Right, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and let us know which is your niche in the market and which topics you would like us to cover for you.